Hey, little guy. Halloween's right around the corner. Why you look so sad?
Every time I tried to play with people, they'd run away from me. They're so scared.
Oh, well, they shouldn't be afraid of you. No, we all have skeletons inside of us, you know that? Let's explain why they shouldn't be afraid. Your skeleton is made up of bones. 206 of them. They hold you up, help you move, and protect your squishy insides. This is your skull. It keeps your brain safe, like a helmet you never take off. See? There's your brain in there, safe and sound. You gotta look out for your brain. It's important because it's the control center for your whole body. Without your skull, even a little bump on the head could be big trouble. These are your ribs. They form a cage around your lungs and your heart, so even if you bump into something, they stay safe. Hey, you really like that song, huh? Well, who am I to stop her?
Shuffle, shuffle, skeleton crew. Left foot, right foot, what you gonna do? Clap, clap, spin around. Woo! Spooky skeletons, the best in town. Creak, crack, snap, and sway. Bones are rocking till the break of day. Skulls are grinning, having some fun. The party's just begun. Begun.
Man, you've got some serious moves.
Yeah, I know.
You know, your bones help with that too. Your arms and legs are full of them. They work like levers, pushing and pulling when your muscles move. That's how you jump, run, and even dance. Where your bones meet, you have joints. They're like hinges and squibbles. Without joints, you'd be stiff as a board. Try doing the skeleton shuffle there. There now, see? Hopefully when people see you now, they aren't so scared. We need skeletons. If we didn't have them, we'd be meatloaf. Happy Halloween. What'd I say?